Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best cold laminators for stickers, 2026, chosen for their ability to protect stickers without heat damage. Cold laminators are perfect for heat-sensitive materials like photos, vinyl decals, and craft stickers, ensuring bubble-free, wrinkle-free results. These machines feature jam-free technology, fast warm-up for hot mode when needed, and compact designs suitable for home, office, or school use. With trusted names like Cricut, IBSD, Bionger, and Maxstone, this lineup ensures reliable performance for DIY projects and professional sticker makers. Let's explore the top 5 cold laminators that combine durability, convenience, and professional results. Number 1. Cricut A4 Laminator Machine, Hot and Cold. The Cricut A4 Laminator Machine is a versatile option, rated 4.6 stars by over 10,000 users. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates A4 documents, photos, and stickers. Quick warm-up in 1 to 2 minutes ensures efficiency, while cold mode protects heat-sensitive materials like vinyl decals. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for home or school use. Jam prevention technology ensures smooth operation, while the included 10 laminating sheets make it ready to use immediately. Cricut delivers a practical solution for sticker makers seeking a dependable laminator that combines portability, affordability, and consistent cold lamination performance. Number 2. IBSD 13-inch Laminator Machine 9-in-1. The IBSD 13-inch Laminator Machine is a multifunctional option designed for versatility. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates documents up to 13 inches wide, including posters and large sticker sheets. Fast 60-second warm technology ensures efficiency, while the Never Jam design provides smooth operation. Compact yet powerful, it balances functionality with convenience. The 9-in-1 package includes laminating sheets, making it ideal for home, office, or school use. IBSD delivers a strong option for users seeking a laminator that combines large capacity, durability, and advanced cold lamination features for professional sticker projects. Number 3. Bionger 9-inch Laminator Machine with 40 sheets. The Bionger 9-inch Laminator Machine is a compact option designed for everyday use. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates A4 documents and stickers. Quick warm-up ensures efficiency, while cold mode protects heat-sensitive materials. The package includes 40 laminating sheets, making it ready to use immediately. Compact yet versatile, it balances affordability with performance. Built-in paper trimmer and corner rounder add convenience, while jam prevention technology ensures smooth operation. Bionger delivers a practical solution for families, teachers, and crafters seeking a reliable laminator that combines cold lamination safety with everyday usability. Number 4. Maxstone 13-inch Laminator Machine, A3 size. The Maxstone 13-inch Laminator Machine is a premium option, rated 4.4 stars by over 5,500 users. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates documents up to 11 by 17 inches, making it ideal for large sticker sheets and posters. Fast warm-up ensures efficiency, while cold mode protects delicate materials. Compact yet powerful, it balances functionality with durability. The package includes laminating sheets, making it ready to use immediately. Maxstone delivers a strong option for professionals and educators seeking a laminator that combines large capacity, advanced cold lamination, and reliable performance for creative projects. Number 5. Maxstone A4 Laminator Machine, Hot and Cold. The Maxstone A4 Laminator Machine is a versatile option, rated 4.5 stars by users. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates A4 documents, photos, and stickers. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for home, office, or school use. Quick warm-up ensures efficiency, while cold mode protects heat-sensitive materials. The package includes 20 laminating sheets and a built-in trimmer, making it convenient for everyday projects. Compact yet reliable, this laminator balances affordability with performance. Maxstone delivers a practical solution for sticker makers seeking a dependable laminator that combines cold lamination safety with modern design. That wraps up our list of the 5 best cold laminators for stickers, 2026. From compact A4 models to large 13-inch machines, each option offers unique strengths to protect stickers without heat damage. Whether you prioritize portability, multifunction features, or large capacity, this lineup ensures reliable performance for DIY projects and professional sticker makers. Check the description for updated prices and details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep your stickers protected with the right cold laminator.